Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now I'm sorry I've been away for a while. I haven't been away, but I haven't been on YouTube. I've just been having a bit of a break. Sometimes, you know, you get that way where you feel like you need to have a little bit of time off, okay? So anyway, up for the mouthful of water first. And the weather is getting a lot better here. Well, it depends what we consider that to be, because some people don't like it too cold or hot, but we've had a really hot weather. Okay, so today I've decided I'm going to do a tutorial after I put this video up first, but I want to put this video up because this is something that I'm going to be putting into my Etsy, and this is a kit for journaling, for a journal. Now, I've actually made this part of it. Right, you've got the cover and a signature, okay? Now this is for anybody who hasn't got the things to do this with, and that cover I have what did we just say? Actually recycled it, okay? And this is a nice piece of oh, I've got stuff stuck all over it, only fluff fabric, and I put it on upside down, but you know what, it doesn't matter, the flower could be hanging down that way, okay? So this is a cover that I made back a while back, so I'm going to be using this. It would be a good idea if I got a bit close with it. This is for you, this is for the kit, okay? And this has got the pages in it already sewn in, and they're not decorated. Look at that. There's lots of pages. There is 40 something, I think, I counted. But you know what, if somebody out there wants to just start to do something and they haven't got the stuff to do it with, this is the idea, I think, anyway. I've been trying to figure out what to do for my next one, so I've just been putting things together. So I thought I might as well put them together and just put them up here, and if other people want to make their own, this is the way to do it, isn't it, if you haven't got all the stuff. So there's that in here, okay? You'll be getting that, and you will be getting this little packet of goodies, bits and pieces, right? This has got lots of bits. There's lots of flowers and little tags and tickets and stamp bits, and there's all those little bits and pieces, even a couple of little pieces of fabric. There's going, and also in there is paper clips, buttons. I can't sit there and go through all of that, you know, it's going to be all in there, and I'm actually going to seal it because I wasn't going to till I showed it to you, but now I am, because it's all going to fall out everywhere. So that's that little bag of goodies, okay? Then there's fabric. Now this is for if you want to put anything on a page in the book, or just use it for something else, or make a flower. This piece here's got a little bit of birds on it. There's a bit of bird there, there's a butterfly there, some flower. Really pretty piece. I have torn this, that's why I've got all these bits of feathery bits on it. Okay, there is this piece of Tilda fabric that I bought a really long time ago, so that's double that piece there. Gee, this is not good with this light shining on there, is it? Okay, now I've got no light. Why haven't I got that one up? My technical support went away for up the town and forgot to leave me some lighting. That's okay. What am I going to do? Okay, we'll do our best anyway without trying to get too shiny on you. This is wobbling around a bit today. Okay, so bit of Tilda fabric there. There's two pieces actually. They are doubled over. Okay, so that's good. If you want to make a pocket, put a strip up the side of your page. Then I found this piece the other day. It is a second piece of when I say old, it is a, well, maybe not that old, but it's like little pictures of little bits and pieces on it, so I don't know, it was actually a sheet, and I've had it washed and stuff like that, and I'm trying to get a piece of the grass off it that's actually drawn on there, so that's quite a pretty piece. There's some little pictures on there that are not so bad. Look at that, isn't that nice? Anyway, so that's in there. If you don't No, but if you don't want to use them, then think this one, it doesn't matter, you know. But they all will look good together. You know, that's the idea. Then I have these laces, and you know what? I cannot get them to sit nicely. You got this little ball of lace, okay? It's all pretty colours. I'm sorry about this. But anyway, that's the laces. All there's yellows, there's pink, there's blue, there's that one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now, there's enough there, you know. You got heaps of lace. Right now, for the other bits, we have. I got this really nice paper one day, and I made one of these, like a folding out thing. Why is this so? I should tighten it up. Maybe that'll help. So I fixed this page up a bit, you know, did the corners. It's got a nice rose on it. So I put in a couple of those so you can do it yourself too if you wanted to, or use them for anything else. There's two of those, and that one too, of course, that I did. You can, that comes in it as well. There'll be this envelope, which is really pretty. Look, you can fold it in half. Do something with it, you know, all the things I showed you how. There's another one, another envelope. There's a green one, little tiny one. Can't have that. That's got stuff written all over it. I better get you to replace that one. I didn't realise that. I do have a tendency to do that though. Now I cut this off the top of a card. It's not, it's really embossed around there. This is really annoying because I can't see what I'm doing. This is all embossed around there. Now, it's got a bit of happy birthday written on the other side, but you can use this as a tuck spot and put something on it. Okay, I've got this really nice fairy. You can use either side. That one's not, that's matte, and this one's shiny. There's a graphic 45, there's a piece of a card, there's some paper that I folded in half and stuck like that, so maybe that could make some pockets. There's a piece of that. There's some more graphic 45 fairy pages. This is a postcard, and there's another envelope. And then we have another fairy. Another fairy. Did I put one of them little bags in? There's a cellophane bag. There's one there. I might replace that. That's got a bit of... This is the graphic 45 papers again. You can use either side of those. I have made this little thing. This will help use, I think, with what I've made to show you how it goes, you know. Or you can just put it in your book. You can use this as an idea, all right? So we'll put that in there. Okay. And tie that up, only just. This is a little booklet that I've put just together a bit and left it so you can sew the rest yourself and put a cover on. This one I've actually made, so you can use that as an idea. All right. There's that little bit there that I've just got a pin on the button. So there's buttons and pins in another packet. This is one of my patches that I've made earlier. A little clock on there. This is a one of those hanging down clip thingy. Oh dear, I'm not very good at this today, tags. And this is my thing I made, and I'm going to show you how to make those after, okay? So that's a thing, it's a padded, I don't know, it's one of them padded anyway. So this will be in my Etsy. I think I will put it up there, unless maybe not, because it's going to take an awful lot of photographing, isn't it? Okay, so I don't know what to do about that, whether to put it in there or not. I'll see if anybody's interested in buying it. If anybody is interested in buying it, can you please email me? I'll leave my email at the bottom of the thing, and I will tell you that it will cost $30 for this, and then In Australia, I think we've got shipping, don't we? We've got shipping. If I can make it flat, if I can put it in there flat, the flatter I can get it, the cheaper I can send it. Okay, so maybe it'll cost $35. That's including shipping. Okay, if you want it over in another country, we'll have to discuss that and see what it's going to cost me to post it. All right, if anybody from somewhere else. So if you could just please let me know if you're interested in this sort of thing. The next one that I'm going to make, I won't be doing the cover the same as this, so it won't cost as much, like I won't charge as much for the kit. But I will put the book together for you and then put the stuff to go in it if anybody wants one. You can, best if you ask me for... Anyway, just let me know and see what you want to do. If you just want one like this that's got the pages in it ready and all this, but not anything on the cover. The covers will be plain. I have some really nice heavy fabric that I'm going to be putting on them. But can you just let me know what you'd like if you want to do that. Okay, if anybody's interested in doing this, I will be more than happy to put it together for you. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.